Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So if you got yourself a new phone and you want to open up your Instagram account there, or you simply want to use your Instagram account on another device, this tutorial is the right one for you. The first thing that you want to make sure of is that both of your phone devices are connected to the internet, whether it is Wi-Fi or phone data. After that, you can go ahead and open up the Instagram app using your old phone. You're gonna find yourself in the home page like this, and next to that, you want to press onto the profile icon, which is located in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then go to up here to the three lines at the top right hand corner of this page, so you can open up the menu and then press onto the option that says settings and activity. Now here's the settings page. You want to scroll all the way down until you see the logout button, which is written in red, so press on it, and then a pop-up window will appear asking you if you're sure about logging out. So before you confirm that, make sure you have your account's login details, and once you make sure of that, you can confirm login out by pressing onto the red logout tab. Now that you're logged out of your Instagram account, switch to the new phone and open up the Instagram app. Once you open it up, you're gonna face a screen like this. Now to enter your login details, you have to type in your username, email, or phone number that is associated with your Instagram account in the first box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in my username, and then you can go to the box underneath and enter your account's password. Once you do that, you can finally go ahead and press onto the blue login button and wait for a few seconds. And now you have successfully logged into your Instagram account on your new mobile device. So that's it. That is how to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.